Mother Nature is constantly showing us the importance of remaining focused on our end result or our goal and dreams. In this video, we see a dragonfly that's been caught by a spider, and the spider is certainly holding firm with focus on keeping that prey entwined in its web. Science tells us that what we observe is what we create. So perhaps it might be time for us to follow the example of the spider in this video and have total focus on our goal and our dream if we wish to see it to become a reality in our lives. Yes, the answer is total focus.